Welcome to my today's class. Today we will discuss Module D Part 2. Today's topic is Managing IT Project. As a professional accountant, managing IT project is the buzzword in now, because as an accountant you are not now a normal accountant. You are the project manager for every project, because of you are the key role player of a company in all aspects. Project management helps you to succeed to your goal within a short possible of time in a long run. Actually, what is project management? Project management is the application of process, methods, skills, knowledge, and experience to achieve specific project objectives according to the project acceptance criteria within agreed parameters. Also, we can say project management has final deliverables that are constrained to a finite time scale and budget. What do you mean by project management information system? We are actually discuss about system, but project management information system is not different from here. A project management information system gathers, organizes, and uses project data via one or more such applications. These programs assist project managers in planning, executing, and closing their projects and organizing the information stream. There are various PMI software types, most with similar features, like information collection, work authorization, tools for scheduling and delivery, etc. Some additional features, gathering and keeping of automated key performance indicators. Because of key performance indicators are the base of any work success. I know how project management helps in developing information system. If you are a project expert, I believe you are the success in your information system very easily, because of a project manager is not only a manager, he can manage total project in a collaborative way. Project management information system improve collaboration, enable agile process, and dedicated systems helps the project stay on schedule, and you can track project in detail, and you allow for faster reporting because of you know the process. And lastly, communication is enhanced, where actually the success factor of an information system. The students, you are now a project manager. How you evaluate or select a project in a IS system? Some key important methods you can analyze, you can select to evaluate or select an IT project. Here you always remind it benefits measured methods, benefits cost ratio, economic model, scoring model, payback period, net present value, discounted cash flow, internal rate of return, opportunity cost, constraint optimization methods, and obviously non-financial considerations. You all know these are the key factors to go in a long run within a short possible of time and a time scale to go for a successful IS project. If you make yourself a certified project management professional, I share with a roadmap with you to take a certification, because of certificates are the basic or the primary need to show yourself as a PMP expert. Some of companies, some of organizations give this type of certificates with this way. I give an example in your skin, IZBreeze, the certification and beyond its target. Basically, you start with enroll in the PMP course first, Then you create a study plan to pass the PMP exam. Then complete 35 hours of professional education. And then you are now prepare and apply for the exam. And then you select your date and for book the PMP exam. And you go to exam for engagement and participation. After that, you take the certificates as a PMP professional. That you make different from the others as a professional. The students, in this present era, business strategy is the key to success of a project. So now we discuss how to align projects to your business strategy. In that case, you consider your company's mission and vision. You must review your company current strategic plan and obviously determine if your organization has the resources your project needs. You must be assess this because of you have plan but your resources are not capable to do this. You go in a long run, it will be not possible to success for you. So determine your organization resource and your project needs is mandatory to get a success of a project, and it is the basic strategy to success in a project. It should be cost benefited, it should be potential benefited, otherwise it are not acceptable from your management. The most important thing, consider your organizational risk culture. The old people are take this system or not, you must assess that. Otherwise, you are not success in this process. Value chain is the most important thing to make a system successful. So that we now discuss about the business value of an information system. With the business value, a system, you must at first go with your operational efficiency like automation, streamlined process, then strategic decision making like data driven insights, business intelligence, customer relationship management like enhanced customer service, personalization, then competitive advantage like you are innovative or your agility, and obviously the most important thing, supply chain management, efficient management, efficient supply chain collaboration, efficient payment is the key to go in a long run in your business value of an information system. And obviously risk management and security, your data security, your compliance is too important. And obviously cost reduction. You take an ERP in your company, it are not compatible, it are not cost reductionable, it are not productive. So you must have to maintain your resource optimization, your remote work enablement, so that your management or your people do their work in outside of the country or the remote area, and you must collaborate and communicate it, all the thing. Obviously remote collaboration, knowledge sharing, it should be accessible in anywhere of the project. The students, we all know everything have a good or bad side and obviously some risk. Now I share 10 common types of project risks to take as a project manager. At first, in the present world, it will be technological risks. Then communication risk. Communication risk is thing you are not capable to communicate with the total scenario of a project, you will fail the project. Then scope creep risk, then cost risk, then operational risk, then health and safety risk, then skill resource risk, then performance risk, you can do or not, and obviously the market risk. What you want, you are not come from your system, your project, it will be it's trouble for you. And obviously external hazard risk. You know that your competitive are too agile and they always want to space your space within a short period of time, and your business is the main thing to go in the long run yourself to the management as a project manager. So that if as a professional accountant, you must have to make yourself as a project manager, because of in the present era everything take you as a project, must have a deadline, must have a plan, and must have a resource optimization that make yourself as a true professional. Thank you for today.